So you're exempt on your W-4 form for 6 months out of the year, meaning for 6 months you don't have taxes withheld from any of your paychecks. That's cool. It is time to separate the wheat from the tares. Yes, that was a Bible reference. But in this conversation, the wheat are going to be the taxpayers and the tares are going to be those of you who are not taxpayers. Federal taxpayers, at least. So before we go any further in this conversation, you got a little homework assignment that I need you to do so you can know which one applies to you. I'm going to need you to log into your account on irs.gov, and I need you to go to your account transcripts. I got a video on my page that shows you how to do that if you're not familiar. This is the video on my page that will show you how to do that. I'm going to need you to open up your most current account transcript for tax year 2024 if you filed a tax return. If not, pull up the last one you filed. It's going to look a little something like this one. Now, in case you're not familiar with being a transcript warrior, I'm going to catch you up real quick. This $3,619 amount is this person's taxable income. So out of all the income they earn for the year, that's the amount that's being taxed. This code 150, the first one you see down here, this represents the actual tax return that was filed. And the amount next to your 150 represents your total taxes for the year, based on your income, of course. Do you see how there are zeros here? As well as underneath your taxable income, if you follow that line all the way across, it says tax per return. If your account transcript looks like this, you're not paying taxes no way, good friend. So if you're going tax exempt for half of the year on your W-4, that's why it's benefiting you, because you don't have a tax liability. That's most likely because you're claiming 4 dependents. 4 child dependents is worth $8,000 in child tax credit. That's going to be $8,800 for this coming filing season. Because I know some of you all saw that this person's adjusted gross income was only $25,000 and some change. So even if you made more and you got 4 qualifying children for the child tax credit, $8,800 is going to lower your tax liability. So if you don't have a tax liability that's more than $8,800, you don't have a tax liability either. So by all means, protest. Just know that you really aren't protesting because you don't pay taxes to begin with. Y'all want me to show you on a tax return what I'm talking about? You want to see the math? Tell me in the comment section if you want to see the math. I'll show you the math.